Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pasta makers Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is MARCATO Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. Our front runner for the best pasta roller and cutter is this pasta maker. This incredible hand-cranked pasta machine hails from an Italian company, popular for making some of the best pasta makers. Notably, this pasta machine comes with a sleek build made from chrome-plated steel. On the part of its hand crank, it is removable for easy storage, and it comes in different colors aesthetically compatible with any kitchen. As the best manual pasta maker on our list, it can exceptionally roll 10 different dough thicknesses. The pasta rollers on this pasta machine are designed to make rough-surfaced pasta, which a home cook would prefer for better sauce holding. After rolling your dough, you can use its dual-sided cutting attachment to make either tagliolini or fettuccini. Needless to say, making pasta with this machine is effortless despite it being manual. Another reason we rank this model as the best pasta maker is that it's compatible with other 12 cutting attachments, which are, however, sold separately. As such, you can make additional pasta shapes using this machine, including ravioli and spaghetti. Nonetheless, the hand crank mechanism on this pasta machine is not for the faint-hearted since it requires skillful coordination in doing all the functions by yourself. But, not to worry, you can buy an additional drive motor accessory or have an assistant to help you with the process. Number 2. Our second best pick is Antree Pasta Maker. Having a pasta making machine is not the only way of rolling a cutting pasta dough. Alternatively, you can invest in attachment accessories for use with your existing stand mixer. A good example of this approach to pasta processing is this pasta maker attachment. This pasta making set is meant to be used as a KitchenAid attachment. Accordingly, you will first attach the sheet roller to your KitchenAid stand mixer as per the manufacturer's instructions, then roll your pasta dough. Then, use the cutting attachment to cut your rolled dough into various shapes, including spaghetti, lasagna or fettuccine, without the need of changing the pasta attachment. As a contender among the best pasta makers, this kit is made from high-quality stainless steel, with a uniform power transmission design for making the best pasta. In addition, this pasta making kit is convenient and efficient since it can deliver 8 different thickness settings without the need to replace other dough mixers. As a result, you can use this kit to make dough for dumplings, classic homemade noodles, fettuccine noodles, and many more homemade pasta varieties. After use, this kit guarantees you easy cleaning with a quick brush application and an easy-to-open cover for removing the trapped dough. Number 3. Our third best pick is KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and amp cutter kit. Next in line is another pasta processing set that works with these stand mixers. This 3-piece pasta roller and cutter kit is an easy solution to homemade pasta with excellent versatility to whip up, roll and cut dough. Specifically, this set comes with a pasta roller, a spaghetti cutter and a fettuccine cutter. The process of making homemade pasta with these pasta attachments only requires attachment to your KitchenAid mixer. The outcome of this machine is 8 different sheet thicknesses, which you can cut by hand to make other shapes aside from the pre-programmed fettuccine and spaghetti cuts. You can also choose to separately buy other shape cutters like the ravioli attachment. As one of the best pasta makers, this is easy to use as an electric pasta maker without the need for clamping your apparatus to the kitchen counter. However, the roller, spaghetti cutter and fettuccine cutter are difficult to attach to a KitchenAid mixer but eventually offer the convenience of one-person utility. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ISILER 150 Roller Pasta Maker. Another contender for the best pasta maker is this pasta machine. This hand-cranked pasta maker is particularly a good choice for a beginner since it doesn't require a big investment. Also, this pasta machine performs exceptionally well and at par with some of the best pasta makers despite coming at an impressively low cost. Specifically, this machine operates smoothly for both thick and thin sheets of pasta dough. As such, this pasta maker can deliver 9 thickness settings. In addition, its tagliolini and fettuccine cutters work smoothly without jamming. Nonetheless, like a noodle maker, the noodle dough tends to stick more to the machine. During operation, this machine clamps to a table or counter for steady hand cranking. However, as a budget pasta maker, it sacrifices material quality. Even so, the aluminum material on this kit provides for easy washing with water, helping you reach nooks and crannies that a brush can't reach. Overall, this pasta machine offers great value in obtaining the same performance as other highly priced counterparts. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is KitchenAid Pasta Maker. Here is another incredible rolling and cutting machine that comes at a budget-friendly price. This pasta processing set is one of the best pasta makers in the realm of manual machines. In particular, this machine would be appreciated by cooks that prefer to make their pasta by hand without the need for extra attachments. As such, this set comes with hand-cranked rollers and cutters. In its simplicity, this kit can be used to make fettuccine, lasagne, ravioli, and angel hair. At all levels, this kit is user-friendly with optimal utility and efficiency. Notably, items in this set are made from chrome-plated stainless steel. However, this set isn't as sturdy as its counterparts, and it slides on smooth surfaces. Regarding its cleaning, you need to wait for the dough to dry before using a brush. Overall, this is an excellent manual pasta processor for any slow cooker meant for making any comfort food. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.